The Page of Pentacles stands in an open field beneath a clear sky, gazing at the golden coin he holds before him. As Earth of Earth, he embodies the pure beginnings of the material realm: focus, study, steady effort, and the first real steps towards skill. Where other pages awaken emotion, thought, or spirit, this page awakens discipline and the willingness to work for what matters. The pentacle he holds is the first central symbol. Treated like a seed rather than a trophy, it represents potential, long-term goals, practical learning, and the integration of all elements into tangible form. His absorbed gaze shows reverence for beginnings, the mindset required to turn possibility into achievement. The green landscape around him forms the second symbol. Rolling hills and fertile fields convey growth, patience, and the slow unfolding of progress. Nothing here is rushed. The environment mirrors the page's commitment to steady cultivation. These fields remind us that all meaningful accomplishments begin with groundwork and intention. His clothing and boots provide the third symbol. Simple, earthy garments show humility and readiness for real work rather than show. His sturdy boots root him firmly to the ground, emphasizing practicality, reliability, and a commitment to take each step deliberately. He is prepared not for fantasy, but for the long path of learning. The fourth symbol lies in the tilled soil beneath his feet. The soil has been prepared. Conditions are right for planting, suggesting that the page arrives at the moment when effort will take root. This represents responsibility and timing. When the environment and intention align, beginnings flourish. It underscores the need to act rather than merely plan. The clear sky above him is the fifth symbol, introducing clarity of mind into an earthly scene. It represents focus, opportunity, and unobstructed vision. The page is not distracted. He sees what must be done and is ready to begin the work. Together, these symbols reveal the Page of Pentacles as the student, the apprentice, the novice who embraces the discipline that transforms dreams into form. He is the seed of mastery, the willingness to begin again with humility. In readings, he often signifies study, new work, financial beginnings, health commitments, or the need for grounded planning. He may represent a diligent young person or the querent's own readiness to learn. His presence encourages steady steps, patience, and devotion to the process.